This is November 788 Sierra Alpha of Southwest Airlines 2346, Fort Myers, Florida to Chicago, Illinois. This is November 5693 Alpha of Amazon Prime Air under call sign Sun Country 3044, the Blue Bomber, from Lakeland, Florida to Toledo, Ohio. This is November 8543 Zorro of Southwest Airlines 1893, Miami, Florida to Chicago, Illinois. This is November 555, November Whiskey of Delta Airlines 752, from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, the Boeing 757-200, 251-W, or the rocket ship. This is November 679, November Kilo of Spirit, flight number 2, from Chicago to Fort Lauderdale. The yellow school bus, submarine, or A321 blast-off machine. This is November 509, November Kilo of Spirit 417, from Detroit to Fort Lauderdale. The mini Airbus, yellow school bus, or submarine, the A319. Short and stubby, but hey, gets the job done.